behind the box already.
This football has seen both men and women exhibit their talent, and I really want to thank especially the people that we've co-organized this football tournament, that is the Ageihangwe District Football Association, and of course FUFA itself, both at the region and at the headquarters.
I talked about infrastructure. This software where we are playing, we are given boots, we are given shirts is okay, is very good. But we are asking, what about if Bulisa had a field that is written on Total Energies Bulisa Sports Arena, where the field can even host big league games? Because I am aware Bogoigo Leopard is playing in the regional league, the 3rd division. Tomorrow it's qualifying for regional, for big league. Where would it play from?